Ironheart. Ironheart, Ironheart, Ironheart. Boy, I tell you, they make some incredible flannels. These UHFs they make are so worth it. This color is my favorite color, so I just had to get it. I ordered this on Monday, and it got to me on Thursday from the UK. Pretty freaking fast. I love this shade of blue, so I had to get it. 20th anniversary. Ultra heavy flannel. If you know about these flannels, you know they're awesome. If you don't, you should get one, because they're freaking awesome. The fits are great. I love the YKK snaps. Yeah, man, they're just great. Straight up feels like a blanket when you put it on. It's heavy, but it's not like crazy heavy, even though it's ultra heavy flannel. It's just, oh man, these are just so awesome. Like you just gotta get one just to know like how dope these are. I feel like everything I could say has already been said in a past video. So yeah.